Hey guys, so we're gonna be hand sanitizer like this is sold out in a lot of places, and and it's really easy to make homemade, which we have a bunch of stuff here.
So we're gonna just do a quick tutorial on how to make your own at home. What we have is aloe here. This is just pretty much plain aloe vera in a gel. Here's an aloe vera gel from Babo that has eucalyptus green tea. It's okay if it has a few other ingredients in it, but basically you want it to be soluble so that it'll mix well with the alcohol. So we're going to take about 2 parts. So we'll just do 1 cup. We're going to take 2 parts aloe, and I'm going to have my pump this while I measure out some of the other stuff because, well, maybe we should pour. It might take a while.
Okay. Pour it?
Yeah.
Wait, how high?
So we want to go 2/3 because we're going to do about 1 cup. And of course you guys want to make sure that the glassware you're using is sanitary. Ours just came out of the dishwasher. So let's measure that out and see. Is that about 2/3? Yeah. Maybe just a little bit more. Yeah. If you cannot find aloe, you can also use glycerin. So we're at about 2/3 a cup there. And then we're going to take alcohol. You want the highest percentage of alcohol. Rubbing alcohol will work. We have some isopropyl in wintergreen, so it gives it a little bit of a color and a little bit of a scent too. And then we have just some regular rubbing alcohol too. Another thing we've noticed is that in some of the stores they're actually sold out of rubbing alcohol, unfortunately, so you can always go to your friendly liquor store and get some cheap vodka. It's hard to get. This is 80 proof, so it's about 40%. So it is a lower amount of alcohol in it, but this will work great for spritz too. So we might make another video of how to showing you how to make a sanitary spritz.
Okay, how much do we put? How much?
So we're going to go to 1 cup with our alcohol.
1 cup.
And this,
so satisfying.
what you can do too is, what you really want is the right texture. So after you mix it, if you feel like it's not the right texture, then you can add whatever ingredients you need. So mine's going to mix here. And then we're going to put in a few drops. You can really do any essential oil that you want. A lot of them have antibacterial and antimicrobial properties to them. I know that this is a virus, and there have been some people that are saying hand sanitizer is antibacterial, it doesn't work on a virus, but Sanjay Gupta on CNN said that it does work to kill the virus, especially on surfaces, and another doctor that I talked to on Twitter who was working directly with the coronavirus said that hand sanitizer is much better than nothing. So it looks like we could use a little bit more alcohol in there because it's pretty thick. So our essential oil that we picked from CO Bigelow is tea tree oil, and because that has a lot of antibacterial, antimicrobial properties to it. Alright, so mine's going to mix that up until we get to our desired texture.
Okay.
We also have some peppermint oil that would work great. We also have some lavender oil. Lavender would be nice to help calm you down with the scent. Okay, how's it looking? Does it look like it'll pour or not quite yet? Lift the whisk up and see if it's peaking a little, so I think we need a little bit more alcohol because you kind of want that runny texture that you can spread
regular, like the regular one. Like, see how it's like really running. So
the nice thing about this too is you can make enough to give to your friends too, so that all the people in your family and your friends have one in their pocket. We should probably add, though, that this does not replace washing your hands. Washing your hands is the most important thing you can do right now. You need to wash your hands before you eat. Don't touch your face. But this is just some added help. So, Mai doesn't like the smell of tea tree oil, so let's just put in maybe 5 or 6 drops like that. Okay, and I'll have you mix that up. And we have some little bottles here that I got from work, but if you don't have a bottle like this, you can always take, this is an old conditioner, and I just emptied out the little bit of conditioner that was left in it, and we filled this with hand sanitizer.
It feels like making jelly.
Yeah. So how's our texture? Is it runny enough? You want to make sure it's runny enough to go through your funnel. A little more alcohol?
Yeah. Okay. Still a little bit thick.
Alright. smells really strong.
The stronger the better. Stronger the better.
Alright, let's see.
Okay.
Pull the whisk out. Let's see how it's going. Oh, maybe a little more still.
Yeah, I
So
think it's getting close.
Yeah, we're just about at 1 cup, so I guess initially we didn't put in enough alcohol. Alright, and let's see. Do you think we need a spoon to scoop, or do you think we can pour? Here, you can put the whisk on a paper towel right here.
Okay. Let's make sure it doesn't drip.
Alright.
On our beautiful wooden floor.
Now we'll pour.
Yeah, that's like
This is pouring. This is a really good texture.
It's like a
Going in. I'm just going to help it down a little with...
Yeah, like she said, it's not, like, this is not going to replace washing your hands, because it's going around, so you just want to make sure that, just like hand sanitizer is sold out in a bunch of places, so.
And we've seen even some recommendations to wash your hands and use sanitizer, do both things. Alright, so we've got it in there, it's full. It's hand sanitizer, it's cheap and easy. Here, would you like to sanitize your hands? Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and later we'll try to make another video on how to do a spritz as well. Have a great day!